All right, we have a brand new BMW X5 behind me. This is getting full body PPF. We're gonna ceramic coat the PPF once we're done, and then this is also getting LLumar ceramic tint all the way around. So stay tuned.
How's it going, guys? Hunter here at Detail Solutions. Just wrapping up on this 2026 BMW X5. It just got our Stratos 70, which is our highest performance film. It is our lightest shade, that way customer can still see out. Now on this vehicle, we opted to pull the door panels and the sweeps to install these side windows for a couple of reasons. Usually a cleaner install no matter the car, but on these BMWs especially, they have these very deep gaskets everywhere. So when we pull those seals out, it allows us to slide the window in one piece, keeps us from two-staging, avoid those little creases on the side altogether, and just looks great.
All right, so the guys are all finished on that brand new BMW X5 behind me. Again, it's got full body PPF. We did LLumar Platinum PPF, and then we did the entire car in LLumar's FormulaOne Stratos tint, which is our highest performing tint that we offer. And then we ceramic coated everything just to give it that extra level of performance and ease of maintenance. If you're interested in PPF, ceramic coatings, or window tint, definitely give us a call. Our staff up front would love to talk to you and help you figure out which one of our packages or services would work best for you and your vehicle.